Hey everyone, let's talk about Python, one of the most popular programming languages today. Python is a high-level interpreted language known for its simplicity and readability. It's designed to be easy to read and write, making it a great choice for beginners and pros alike. What can you do with Python? First, web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask help build robust web applications. Next, data science and machine learning. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn power data analysis and predictive modeling. Then automation and scripting. Automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows with ease. Game development is also possible. Create fun games using libraries like Pygame. Artificial intelligence is another area. Build smart applications with TensorFlow and Keras. Cybersecurity is important too. Use Python for ethical hacking and security analysis. Finally, the Internet of Things. Control and interact with devices using Python. Python's versatility and strong community support make it an essential tool for developers in many fields. Whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or exploring AI, Python has got you covered. Start your Python journey today. Subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.